If you're wondering how to use a gold IRA for retirement planning, you're probably already thinking about the security of your future and how to protect your wealth from the risks that can come with traditional retirement accounts. Gold IRAs are becoming a go-to solution for many American retirees, especially in times of economic uncertainty. By the end of this video, you'll know how a gold IRA can be your best tool to diversify your retirement savings and protect against inflation and market volatility. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using this guide to secure their savings, and it could be just what you need to take the next step in protecting your future. So, let's talk about gold IRAs and why they're such a powerful tool for retirement planning. A gold IRA is essentially a self-directed individual retirement account that holds physical gold as an investment. Unlike traditional IRAs that are limited to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a gold IRA allows you to diversify into something tangible that has stood the test of time. Now, why should you care about gold? Well, gold has historically outperformed traditional investments like stocks, especially during periods of economic instability. It's a hedge against inflation, a protector of wealth, and an asset that often rises when the stock market takes a hit. This makes it a crucial part of a well-rounded retirement portfolio. But let's be clear, while gold IRAs are one of the best ways to protect your savings, many retirees are still relying on traditional IRAs and 401ks. While these accounts can be beneficial, they often leave you exposed to the volatility of the stock market. If your savings are sitting in these accounts without the protection that gold offers, you might be taking on unnecessary risk. That's where the gold IRA comes in. If you're worried about making the switch, it's easier than you might think. Rolling over a traditional IRA or 401k into a gold IRA is a straightforward process, and there are experts out there who specialize in helping you make the transition. You don't have to navigate this alone. The key is to get your assets into gold before inflation or a market downturn eats into your hard-earned savings. And it's not just about buying any gold. The IRS has strict guidelines about the types of gold you can hold in a gold IRA. You need to make sure it's gold that meets the necessary purity standards, and this is where working with a reputable custodian is critical. They'll handle the paperwork, the storage, and ensure everything stays compliant. But what about other retirement options? Well, when you compare a gold IRA to traditional retirement accounts, the difference is clear. For example, stocks can fluctuate dramatically in value, and we've seen how quickly a market crash can wipe out a portion of your portfolio. On the other hand, gold tends to hold its value better during these times, making it a safer bet. Even bonds, which are typically viewed as low risk, can't compare to the stability that gold offers when it comes to safeguarding your wealth. If you want to dive deeper into this and learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs, again, click the first link in the description for that free guide. If you have $100K or more in an IRA, 401k, or even $5 in savings, this guide is a must-have to help you plan ahead and avoid the risks that so many others face. Now, for those of you who already have a gold IRA or are thinking about rolling over your savings, one thing to remember is that a gold IRA isn't just a long-term store of value. It's also a smart way to keep your retirement funds safe from government policy changes, inflation, and the inevitable fluctuations of the stock market. To wrap up, if you're a retiree looking to protect your wealth, a gold IRA should be at the top of your list. It's ideal for Americans who have $100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even 5 min pluses in savings. If that's you, then you're in the right place. And as always, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. Remember, the earlier you make the move, the more protection you'll have. Take control of your future with a gold IRA.